This is the all-terrain electric skateboard, the Rampage from Miles. Hey there, let's start with unboxing and my first impression.
Alright, it's a lot bigger than I was expecting.
Here we are. The first thing that you notice is this beautiful sculpted 40 by 9.5 bamboo flex deck that weighs around 25 pounds. Not only does it look good, but it carves amazing. And those are a massive 1500 watt dual motor that have fantastic power, and they're rated up to 30% grade climbing and up to 28 miles per hour. I've ordered the 6.5 inches. They have another option wheels with 8 inches, and the difference between them is that the 6.5 inches offer more torques and the 8 inches are built for speed. Another special feature about the Rampage is that the double bushing trucks, which you can see here. This truck not only looks good, but they turn and carves amazingly, with a battery range up to 19 miles per hour. Let's check what it comes in the box. Here we have some extra belt and the charger port, 2 amps, 42 volt, and USB cable for charging the remote, skate tool, and the remote control. Alright, let's power it up and see how it goes. There is a vibration on the remote, that's cool. And then underneath here is the power button for the board. As soon as I press, it vibrates for pairing. I like the smooth slider and the LCD screen out here. And for the speed, it have 4 modes that you can change them by pressing here. And also if you press 2 times, there is a safety light. Same thing if you want to turn off. And here in the side we have the forward and reverse. For all-terrain board priced at just $997, that's pretty sweet. When we compare it to the competition, a direct competitor I think as the Evolve Carbon GT, which is sick board in itself, but that one costs about $2,000. This helps to give context and shows how the pricing align at more than half the price. If you want to check out more info, I'll leave you the link down below. Thanks for watching. Let's go for a test drive.